Siguro I want to be known as a versatile actor who can do multiple roles um, without being what do you call it, typecast. Na you're just single faceted actor.
Si Dennis naman, okay.
Are you already at the stage na natanggap mo na yung kaya ng ability mo sa pag-arte?
I think, yes, because meron ding factor ang age eh. I cannot play cutie roles naman at my age. So, there has to be a certain level lang na pwede ko i-play.
Pero you're also dreaming of some characters, I think, yung ibang.
Meron kami mga, yeah, we've thought about some films or some movies that we'd like to do, na parang gano'n, which are something that I'd really like to do also. Pero puro pa lang, pinag-uusapan nila.
Okay, then?
Ako naman, yan, katulad din ng sinabi ni Sir Chief, syempre importante sa mga artista na marami kang magawang mga proyekto and iba-iba. Tsaka, syempre, gusto ko siguro matandaan and magain yung respeto. Hindi kailangan maging mayaman ka or ano man, pero yung respeto na nagigain mo sa mga manonood tsaka sa mga katrabaho. Yun siguro yung pinaka-importante para sa akin.
Follow-up is, how do you see, how do you react when people perceives you in the same manner with the characters that you portray?
Like, in every project na ginagawa nila, pag napo-perceive kayo as Jojo or as Vincent, depende siguro. Sige, go ahead.
Siguro matutuwa dahil may nararamdaman nila na yung ginagawa mo, kung masama ka man or mabuti, para sa isang artista, nakakatuwa malaman na naapektuhan yung mga taong nanonood, yung mga nakakakita ng performance.
Searching.
I guess I would be flattered
kasi
ibig
ganda ng characters.
Ibig sabihin, they really believe na ikaw yun. So you did justice to the role. Pinortray mo as it should be portrayed. So, you should be very flattered.
Kasi sa longest running daytime teleserye na be careful, talagang tumatak sa'yo yung good.
Hanggang ngayon, di pa rin nila ma-realize na hindi pala kami mag-asawa ni John.
Tapos, how are we gonna see you as Judy Ann's new leading man in patikim lang para bago nag-roll ka na, di ba? Nag-taping ka na.
Yes.
Ano makikita namin bago?
Ibang-iba rin yung character ko dito because this is a departure from the responsible family.
Correct.
Kasi single ako dito eh.
Mm-hmm.
So medyo may pagka-naughty ako dito.
So, pilyo pala yung bago natin.
Si Judy Ann ang magbabago sa akin. Yun ang
Ibang-ibang Okay, the last question. Who would like to ayan, please, can you share the mic, please, for her, for the last question?
Thank you. Hi po, Rowena from soycinema.com.ph. Para po sa inyong dalawa, kasi diba yung theme ng movie is about timing. Para po sa inyo, dapat ba we wait for the perfect timing? Or kapag ginusto na natin yung isang bagay, isang tao, we take the shot na agad para we don't have that question na what if sa huli.
Agad-agad ba yun? Diba? Parang gano'n?
Opo.
I think it takes timing also. In every relationship, it takes timing. Kasi there are people who fall into relationships like yung mga bata at 18 years old. They think it's the one already. Feeling nila ito na. Pero you're still at that age na hindi mo pa kaya to have a mature decision. Eh, hindi mo pa kaya buhayin yung tao eh. So even though you feel it's the right time, it's the right relationship, it's not the right time. So without those two factors, it's not the right one.
Okay. Then?
Ako naman, sa tingin ko, depende rin talaga yun sa tao kung talagang handa ka na, kung handa ka na magseryoso. Pero, again, mahirap talagang sabihin kung